Hey!
Hey, oh, I think your cat's trying to escape.
Nonsense. He loves it here.
To watch a movie?
Yeah? Let me just grab my cuddle buddy.
I don't think he wants to cuddle with you.
Oh, he probably just saw the dog or something. I'm gonna go grab him.
Dude, I'm pretty sure he wants to be left
Oh,
alone.
of course he wants to hang out with us. Come on.
Yeah, I don't think so.
1 second.
You good?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Aw, maybe he does want to cuddle with you. That's so cute. Is that Tuna?